Weka mikono wako.
I got my fear. Super kicker. What's happening? Around.
In order to make some smooth R&B that is capable of womanizing all the hot women, we first need to create some lush chords. Now let's add some effects on that shit. Micro shift. And some EQ. Since the majority of people listening to R&B are women, we have no choice but to use a piano in order to get to their hearts. Stereo widener. And a compressor. Okay, now that we're all done with the instrumentation, let's work on some drums. R&B drums aren't usually complex, so we don't have to go crazy on them. In R&B there's usually a ton of ambience, so let's add some to help fill the beat and make it sound spacious. Now we need an 808 that is capable of getting you twins in order to play with, if you know what I mean.
This is my twin sister. Her name, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck me. See?
Compressor. And you know I had to EQ that shit.